As a local business owner, you always have a one question in your mind: how much it costs you to rank your business in the top of Google in your local area. Many agencies are charge you thousands of dollars for just a SEO name. But what is the actual cost you to rank your business in the top of Google? Let me break it down. So the first thing is you need to understand the necessary thing if you want to rank your business in the top of Google. So if I search Dempster Dental in Phoenix, Arizona, these are the results Google show me. The first thing is the ad of our local businesses. So these are ad of all the local businesses. These below are the result of our organic. This is we call local map pack or we call Google map. So you need to have to create a Google business profile as well as your website if you want to rank in the top of these desert, because all of these businesses have a website. We can see all of them have a website. So for creating Google business profile, you don't need to have worry because it's a free. You can do it by your side. But for website, you need to hire someone that create a website, not just a simple website, but you need a website which is proper SEO optimized. So you need a website which showcase all of your services. If you provide dumpster enter, you also provide all of these services: resident dumpster, commercial dumpster, and also you offer services in different area. So you need to create a website just like this one in a perfect example of my web client website I create further. So these are all the services that they are offered. So I create each service separate page. If I open this one, resident dumpster enter, you can see this one is page is entirely separate of a resident dumpster enter. So you can see I create all of their separate page for each of their services. Then I also create allocation pages. So these are all the area where they provide services. So this is most important thing for SEO. So creating a website is cost you $1,000 for a one-time setup fee. Then the next thing is you need to do is your Google business profile is proper SEO optimized. Creating a Google business profile is a one thing, but proper SEO optimize it another thing. If you want to rank it the top of the Google, you need to optimize it properly. So here is a checklist that I do for my client. So you can see these are all the things that you need to have in your Google business profile. So these are a long list that we do for our client. So there is a one-time setup fee for creating a website that would cost you approximate $1,000. Then the ongoing SEO work that would cost you $500 per month for creating your website and optimizing your Google business profile, creating backlink, all of these things would cost you approximate $500 per month if you hire any agencies. And it would take you approximate 3 months to rank your business in the top of Google. And within a 3 month, you could easily get 30 to 40 lead every single month. And if you close rate of a 40 to 50% of that lead, so you could easily get 20 customer every single month for your dumpster rental business. And the average ticket price of a one customer is approximate $500. And if you get 20 customer, you could easily make $10,000. So the return is really high. You're investing $500 and you could get around $10,000